Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about red potatoes, and I have a list of tips and ideas that may hopefully be helpful to you when you're using red potatoes. First of all, red potatoes are high in moisture and low in starch. That combination makes them excellent for roasting, pan frying, and smashing. The skin of red potatoes is thin and very tender, so the skin can easily be eaten. Save a little time and effort and add some color to your dish by leaving the skin on the potatoes. You'll also add a little bit of extra fiber and some nutritional value in there as well. Red potatoes are an excellent salad potato because they do hold their shape well when they cook. They won't fall apart as easily as, let's say, a russet potato would. Why not try some red potatoes in soups and stews, casseroles and curries, or serve them baked or even mashed or smashed. Red potatoes are excellent when they're diced and sauteed. Try including them in a breakfast hash if you can, or even a potato hash as a side dish in another meal. It's important to remember not to store potatoes, including red potatoes, around onions. Both of them release gases that can cause the other vegetable to ripen prematurely, and you want to keep your food as long as you possibly can until you're ready for it. So don't store onions and any type of potatoes together. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.